You like doing makeup on yourself, on your friends, and on your family. But have you thought of cleaning your brushes? And if you do, how do you clean your brushes and how do you dry them? That's very important. And how often do you clean your brushes? In today's video, I'm going to answer all of these questions and I'm going to tell you how to clean your makeup brushes at home with products that are available at home. This is Neha Devgan. Welcome to Neha Devgan Diaries. Now, let's get started. And I want to take you along on this process of cleaning the brushes. I'm going to show you this video in which I'm cleaning my brushes and I'll show you the whole process of cleaning to drying. First, let's get to know the importance of cleaning the brushes. Why it is so important to clean our brushes and how frequently should you be cleaning your brushes. Now, let's get started. So basically, taking care of these 5 points is important. Taking care of hygiene for your face and your client's face to ensure the safety and to not cause any infections and acne. For the better makeup application and to take care of the colors as colors tend to get mixed, and of course you would like to maintain the professional standards. Now, if you would like to use anything that's available at home, you can always use baby soap, water, and dishwashing liquid. So, maximum will be baby soap, then water, and we are going to use very little dishwashing liquid. I also add little bit of Dettol in it, but you can add vinegar as vinegar acts as disinfectant. I also spray 99.9% alcohol on my brushes when I gather them. Now I put them under the water. It's in a tray. I'm going to keep them in this position only, even while I'm washing, so that the water should not go inside the gummy part of the brush, basically from where the bristles are stick. So it's basically at the end of the bristles. So I'm going to wash it on this brush cleansing pad, rubbing it on the baby soap. Now for the gel liner brush, you can always dip it into the alcohol first and then clean it. I always make sure that I should be washing the bigger brushes first, and I keep them dipping into the water upside down so that I should not be wasting water, and this water has everything that's needed. So I'll keep them like this. If you have more brushes than me, you can always change the water once. So I'll keep on rubbing them over the soap. Also, try to be gentle, but make sure that everything goes away from the brush. Just press them and remove the residue. This is again an eyeshadow brush. So I keep on doing this to all my brushes and keep on cleaning the soap bar as well and keep on cleaning the cleansing pad as well. So now I'm going to throw this water and will start cleaning the brushes. I'll turn on the tap water and I'll keep the brushes in this position only. Please take care of keeping the position like this. Now first I'm going to clean the tray and then I'll start cleaning the brushes. I will pinch the front nicely so that there is no residue left, and I'm going to keep it like this. Now this is my dining table. I keep a clean tissue over here and then I'll lay down the brushes, removing the extra water. Now make sure you are pinching it and removing all the extra water and keep it like this so that the air circulates around the bristles. Make sure you should not keep it on the tissue directly. Pinch the brush and then keep it in this position only. This is really important, otherwise the water stays. Now some of the bristles of some brushes does gets disturbed, so you can tie a thread like this. Now here, make sure if you are using your brushes for self makeup, then keep on cleaning them with alcohol every week and wash them in 20-25 days. For professional use, wash them weekly. So I'm hoping you like this video. If you still have any further questions, please comment down below and I shall reply you back. This is Neha Devgan. I'm gonna see you guys tomorrow with something new and something useful. So comment down below what next would you like to know. On this note, this is Neha Devgan signing off. Bye bye.